So outlet tester with GFCI, so GFCI outlet tester. So I have two of them, one digital, one regular. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you have a normal GFCI outlet, which means ground fault circuit interrupter. So in your kitchen, bathroom, garage, outdoor, this is usually installed because it's trying to protect you pretty fast. These things trip super fast. They're designed like that, milliseconds. Any like small, like 4 to like 6 milliamps imbalance between the terminals, it'll just interrupt the circuit. So it's designed to work like that, okay? So, but there are ways to test it if it's working properly or not. So if it's wired properly or not. So if you take a look at it, it has many combinations. The only one right here that we're looking for, correct. 2 lights on, which means it's wired correctly. Another step, it has this little button right here. We can test it. When we press it, it has to trip this GFCI. There you go, it tripped it. So now we can just reset it and then plug it in. So if you see any combination, that means this circuit needs to be checked. So the reason why I got this one, because, well, I do work for people, so I have to make sure that if GFCI is not acting well, I have to replace it or change it. And also I can see digitally the voltage, what it's showing me, correct. I can also test and I can see how fast it's tripping the circuit. You can see it showed right there, 0.11 seconds, 11 milliseconds. It's super fast, so it's within the spec how fast this GFCI has to trip. So that's why I like this one as well. So in most of my troubleshootings, like if circuit is not working, I'll use this. And it also acting like a voltmeter for me, so I can see the voltage. It runs on a battery, sure, but instead of using this, I prefer this. I just go plug it in, see the voltage, and keep troubleshooting if I'm looking for some non-working circuit. So that's why I really like this one. It's kind of like a pocket voltmeter versus trying to use this one if I'm troubleshooting only outlets and I'm not getting into the wires. But for the most part, that's the job of GFCI outlet, okay? And there are times these trip and resetting is fine. Let's say you plug it in, you could be outside. Problem could be not with the circuit, but your appliance, let's say blender or whatever you're using. Sometimes you just yank the wire and it will trip it. So this is absolutely normal, okay? So this is kind of like designed to work like this, to act fast, so you don't get electrocuted if it thinks that there is some sort of an imbalance or leakage of the power, so it doesn't shock you and instantly kind of like interrupts the circuit, and then you are able to come back and reset it. If you think there's no issue, it will reset back on, okay? So that's the short video. If you guys are looking to troubleshoot or checking, just doing home inspection, so this is perfectly fine, but I use this together. Again, I do work for people, so that's the video. I'll put the links in the description. Thanks for watching.